Hey, so what we have here is a funnel that I created for caring for seniors. It's a caring senior facility. They're looking to fill some space, some beds in their facility. So I created the funnel with GoHighLevel at HighLevel's funnel area. And what I did is this is about phone numbers, okay, guys. This quick tutorial is about phone numbers. So I used an 800 number that I purchased from from HighLevel, and I have that number forwarded to the owner's mobile phone. So that's what happened there. So that's what's happening here. So what we're doing is we can now we're in the funnels. So this is the sites we're carrying. I'm in this sub account, which is the client that I'm working with, caring for seniors. I click on sites and it brings up funnels, as you see websites as well. So what happens here is that I can go to settings and set things up: the name, the URL path, the tracking code into the header, which is very easy to do. We'll probably do that in another tutorial. The domain, so when someone clicks on the ad on Facebook, it's a Facebook ad, then it would lead them to the funnel that we took a look at. So here's the stats. The stats are basically showing the number of page views, all of the pages that, all of the visitors that have visited this page, and how many of them were unique. So a lot of people revisited this funnel several times. So, and here's our opt-in. People opted in, filled out our information, the sales and earnings page as well. So again, as I mentioned, back to settings. So yeah, we can see where everything came from. So let's take a look at phone numbers. So we're gonna have to go to the agency account. This is actually Roger's Media Mindset. So we're going to the agency account and take a look at phone numbers, because everything we're doing for this particular client, we want this client to get phone calls, right? So as I mentioned to you, what I've done is I've used my toll-free number and forwarded that number to the mobile phone number of my client. So we can come over here and see the configuration. Call time in. It'll be 45 seconds before the voicemail picks up, and so forth. So we click on these three dots right here. We go to edit configuration, and we'll see that that's the phone. That's the toll-free number. This is the number that I forwarded the call to. And whisper message. This is the message that this is what will appear on the front of the phone when the call comes in, so that my client knows that it's a lead, so she can prepare herself to say whatever she's got need to say before the call commences. We let the client know that the call will be the potential client, the caller. We let the caller know that the call will be recorded for quality purposes. You're more than welcome to change this to say whatever you needed to say. But of course, we need to notify someone that a call is going to be recorded. And as I mentioned earlier, incoming call timeout is 45 seconds. Outgoing call timeout is 60 seconds. So we save that. But the most important, the reason why we're running through this tutorial is because all the configuration that I just showed you can be overridden and will be overridden by one thing, and that is the staff, my staff. So your settings as a agency owner will override any configurations that you've done when it comes to phone numbers and other things as well. But today we're concentrating on phone numbers. So you'll see that um, inbound numbers, right now, it's select the phone number. So it'll revert to the configuration. But had I had this 844 earlier like I did, which was I was calling the 800 number, but the number was ringing back to my personal cell phone because my personal cell phone is obviously connected to my agency information. So in order to make sure that this call rings to your client phone, you need to select the phone number and do the configuration that we had previously done, that I previously showed you seconds ago. So just a quick tutorial just to let you know that my staff area is going to override all of your configurations, because the most important thing is who your team management and who your team is and what they have the rights to do. So if we go back and take another look, we'll see my information, we'll see permissions. These are the permissions that obviously I'm the administrator, so all my permissions are on, but my team members, I may not want them to be looking at my contacts, or I may not want them to change any settings, or, I may not want them to bother with my workflows. So if you hire somebody outside of your agency or outside of your organization, they could be around the world, but you're able to limit them by the permissions. So this was about phone numbers, but just wanted you to get a solid understanding of how the agency view overrides most the agency view overrides most other situations, like any configurations that you do when you take on sub accounts and new clients. Okay, so hope that's helpful. And don't if this video has any value for you, man, please like and subscribe and click the bell notification, because I'll be dropping more videos, quick instructional videos, so you can wrap your head around HighLevel. Okay, so thanks guys, see you next time.